Chapter 1.4.1.4 Ephemeral Containers. Kubernetes v1.25 introduces ephemeral containers, a type of special container that runs temporarily in an existing pod for user-initiated actions like troubleshooting. These containers are used to inspect services rather than build applications. Understanding ephemeral containers. Pods in Kubernetes are the basic building blocks of applications, meant to be disposable and replaceable. Once a pod is created, you cannot add a container to it, but instead, you typically delete and replace pods using deployments. However, sometimes it may be necessary to inspect the state of an existing pod, and in such cases, you can run an ephemeral container within the pod to troubleshoot and run commands. Ephemeral containers differ from regular containers in that they lack guarantees for resources or execution and will not be automatically restarted. They are not meant for building applications and have restrictions on certain fields like ports, liveness probe, readiness probe, and resources. Ephemeral containers are created using the Ephemeral Containers handler in the API and cannot be added using kubectl edit. Additionally, they cannot be changed or removed after being added to a pod, and they are not supported by static pods. Uses for ephemeral containers. Ephemeral containers are helpful for troubleshooting when regular methods like using kubectl exec are not enough due to a crashed container or lack of debugging tools in the container image. Distroless images are particularly useful for minimizing attack surface and reducing exposure to bugs and vulnerabilities. However, troubleshooting distroless images using kubectl exec alone can be difficult due to the lack of debugging utilities. Enabling process namespace sharing when using ephemeral containers can help view processes in other containers, making troubleshooting more efficient and effective.